Some cities are built on roads. This one was built on legends. Hidden in the mountains, cloaked in mist. Chongqing isn't just a place, it's another world. Let me take you there. You've seen cities before, but not like this. This one breathes mist, climbs mountains, and dreams in layers. As the sun rises over Chongqing, it paints the misty hills and winding rivers in gold. Chongqing is not walked, it's flown across. The air here carries stories, one cable car at a time. You should try ride a cable car over the Yangtze River. Locals come here to breathe. Above the chaos, they sip, smile, and watch their city light up like a galaxy. Its streets don't go forward, they climb. Every step pulls you deeper into its soul, which is Chikiku ancient town. At dawn, the city awakens, not with alarms, but with sizzling oil, shouting vendors, and steamed buns. At night, Jiaotianmen riverbank whisper back. They reflect a city too alive to sleep. In Liziba, even the stairs tell legends. Some goes up to the heavens, some goes down to forgotten tea shops. She's swept this step for 40 years. The dust here remembers more than we ever will. Above Chongqing, children don't chase their dreams, they fly them. Only in Chongqing, the train passed through buildings like a whisper in stone. It doesn't just move, it glides through the city's veins, as if the concrete itself invited it in. Only in Chongqing, where even gas stations defy gravity. Perched atop rooftops, they fuel not just cars, but this city's wild vertical logic. Spicy, loud, chaotic, hot pot is the heartbeat of this city. When it rains, Chongqing doesn't hide, it listens to its tones. Chongqing temples here don't just face the gods, they face the skyline. From atop South Mountain, Chongqing stretches endlessly, bridges, towers, and rivers glowing beneath a sunset veil. Welcome to Chongqing's art playground, Huangjueping, where concrete walls become storytellers, and every color is rebellion. Here, art breathes with the city, bold, alive, and unapologetically loud. The Huangzhouan interchange in Chongqing spirals like a concrete maze in the sky, with 5 layers and 15 ramps twisting through the air, a breathtaking symbol of China's modern engineering and urban complexity. Even beneath the city, beneath layers of concrete and steel, where shadows stretch long and time feels still, light finds a way in. It slips through cracks in forgotten places, curls around rusted beams and broken glass, glows in puddles that mirror the world above. Small, golden, defiant. Like hope, quiet but persistent. Never loud, never gone, always waiting for the moment when someone dares to look up and believe. Wishes here aren't spoken. They float gently into the night. Above the noise, a hidden calm waits, shared only by cats and moonlight. Even in fog, the people here keep moving. Maybe that's why the city never stops working. Some don't speak the city with words. They draw it in silence. The sun doesn't just rise in Chongqing. It paints a new poem every morning. Art lives in alleys, the kind that makes you stop and feel something. This is Chongqing, everyone. Not just a city, but a living memory wrapped in mist and wonder.